Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fantastic world of computer and exploring the endless possibilities they offer. Computers are no longer just fancy machines for tech wizards. They have become an essential part of our daily lives, used for everything from work and education to entertainment and communication. So buckle up and explore the incredible way you can leverage the power of a computer. Computers are productivity champions. They help us to get things done efficiently. You can use to craft stunning document and presentation with software like word processor and presentation tools. Manage your finance and stay organized with spreadsheet and budgeting apps. Schedule appointment, get reminders and stay on top of your to-do list with calendar and task management software. Basically, a computer can be your virtual assistant, helping you to conquer your overload. Computers have revolutionized education. They open doors to a world of knowledge at your fingertips. You can enroll in online courses and degree programs from prestigious universities around the world. Access a vast library of educational resources like online tutorial, ebooks, and educational websites. Develop new skills and explore your interests with countless learning platforms and MOOCs, massive open online courses. Whether you are a lifelong learner or a curious mind, computer empower you to keep growing. Let's not forget the fun factor. Computers are fantastic entertainment centers. You can stream your favorite movies and show on popular platforms. Immerse yourself in exciting games from casual puzzles to action picked adventure, listen to music, create playlists, and discover new artists. The entertainment possibilities are endless. Keep you engaged and relaxed. Computers have transformed communication. They allow you to stay connected with loved ones through video calls, social media, and instant messaging. Collaborate with colleagues on projects in real time, regardless of location, build online communities, and connect with people who share your interest. The world is at your fingertips, fostering closer connection and meaningful interactions. These are just a few of the countless ways computer can enhance your life. They can be your productivity partner, your learning companion, your entertainment hub, and your connection to the world. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities with computer will only become more exciting. So explore, experiment, and discover how computers can empower you to achieve your goals and live a fulfilling life. What are your favorite way to use a computer? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures.